14 sections of the compression ring, Superpillars pushing into Tribune, ceramic llamas back at the north goal, the intermediate floor taking shape between the cantilevers, and much more. Today at Camp Nou, everything is moving at once, and we are here to break it all down, zone by zone. Let us get into it. A concrete pump is deployed at the upper level, actively pouring the latest Superpillar as operations push into the Tribune zone. The previous Superpillar is already cast and stripped, with the next one standing ready with formwork panels already in position. Progress on Superpillar concreting is moving at a steady rhythm. Between the second and third cantilever, the intermediate logistic floor is taking shape. Formwork battens are laid, and the galvanized metal deck is being prepared ahead of reinforcement mesh and concrete pour. Inside the nuclei, welding continues on the beam framework with drainage pipework already routed through the interior. Several nuclei remain in this phase before sandwich panels can follow. The painter has returned to the zone, applying black coating under pressure to the steel beam framework. Plenty of surface area remains ahead. At the ceramic slat superstructure, new anchor brackets are confirmed installed in the south goal section, with welders completing the base connection pieces in preparation for the next structural segments. One section per day, and today is no exception. Crane TC3 lifted section 14 into position this afternoon, one of the larger boxes that had been staged and waiting. Workers moved immediately to begin bolting. 14 sections placed, 110 needed more to complete the full ring. Along the lateral storage area, another large ring section arrived this morning, already slings fitted and ready for the next lift. The Ulma team continues assembling formwork platforms, supporting both the radial beams and the installed sections above. In the central lateral zone, progress on the formwork base structures advances steadily. The lateral north corner superstructure preparation is also moving forward, with anchor points and connection details being finalized ahead of ceramic slat installation. And before we continue, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Just like this stadium is rising section by section, this channel grows subscriber by subscriber. Hit that button and be part of the Camp Nou journey. Up at Gol Norte with the full panoramic view opening up. Ceramic llama installation is visibly pushing forward since yesterday, the lower section advancing at a solid pace. The left side nucleus is still active today. Sandwich panels are now climbing close to the first cantilever level, a noticeable visual change from just a day ago. Coverage is building up quickly across this section. At the Gol Norte and Tribune corner nucleus, welding crews continue working through beam connections at a steady rate. The llama support structure has reached this corner, lining it up for ceramic cladding soon. A personnel elevator tower is now installed here, improving crew movement between levels significantly. At the parking ramp, fill compaction continues layer by layer. Very little distance now remains before ground level reaches the parking exit point. Each passing day brings this section closer to completion, and the difference from just a few weeks ago is clearly visible. That is it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a comment below. Even just a single word lets us know you are out there watching. A like takes 1 second and helps more people find this channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and every single one gets us there. See you tomorrow.